Good morning, class. Yesterday we done the chapter prepositions, and day before yesterday also we revised that. So what is preposition? A preposition is a word often placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other word in the sentence. We have also done the uses of many prepositions, just as at, in, on, preposition of time, preposition of place, and many uses also. We have learned how to fill in the blank with the help of the prepositions. But today we are going appropriate prepositions, verbs followed by appropriate prepositions. Particular verbs are always followed by particular prepositions. So see in the example what we have done here. The first one is abide by. Abide by. I'm sorry, I could not abide by my promise. This is the sentence formation of this. Then abstain from. Abstain is followed by from, just as abide is followed by. The doctor has told him to abstain from wine, means keep away from. Accede to. I thank you for acceding to my request. Accuse of. He is innocent but he has been accused of murder. Accused means guilty. Agree to. Rita agreed to my plan. Agree with. She did not agree with her husband to start early. Means agree means we are giving the consent. Then apply to. I have applied to the headmistress for 2 days leave. Also applied for is also there. I have applied to the headmistress for 2 days leave. Applied to something and applied for something. Then apologize to. Sudhir apologized to his teacher for coming late, means felt sorry. Attend to. Please attend to me. I could not attend to my studies during my illness. Believe in. Do not believe in ghosts. Belong to. Nita belongs to a respectable family, means related. Beware of. Beware of the dogs, it bites, means keep away. Blame for. Let us not blame our luck for failure. Charge with. He was charged with theft. Charge for. How much do you charge for mending a pair of shoes? Means how much money do you want? Compare with. Comparison. Examine of what to extent person or things are similar or not similar. Compare this year's result with that of the last year. Then compare to. Point out the likeness or the relation between that beautiful girl can be compared to a rose. Now come to the next page. Complain to or complaint against. He complained to his father against his younger brother. Complaint we know very well. Complain to somebody. I complained to the teacher of or about Mohan's rudeness. Then comply with. I am sorry, I cannot comply with your foolish demand. Congratulate. Congratulate somebody. It is always followed by on. I congratulate you on your success. Consist of. His house consists of 12 rooms, means there are 12 rooms. Cure of. Nothing can cure him of his madness. Depend on or depend upon also. You cannot depend on that dishonest man. Success depends upon hard work. Then deprive of. Don't deprive the poor servant of proper food. Deprive means awake. Die of. He died of cancer. Some people die of hunger. The old man died of grief. Die is followed by of, and die is also followed by from. The soldier died from a serious wound. Then differ. Differ from and differ with is also there. Two prepositions are there. English differs from Hindi in many ways. He differed with his father on the question of his sister's marriage. Then dispose of. I want to dispose of my old cycle, but there is no buyer. Hide from. A patient should not hide anything from his doctor. Hope for. He is hoping for the return of happy days. That happy days will come once again. Inform of. I have informed him of my success. Means information has been given. Insist on. The teacher insists on punctuality. Insist means pressure. Invite to. Radha invited me to tea. Invite is followed by to. Mukesh invited her to his house. Laugh at. Why are you laughing at him? Lead to. This road leads to New Delhi. Listen to. Good children listen to the advice of their elders. Then long for. Everybody longs for the rest after a day's hard work. Longs for means want. Object to. She objected to my occupying a seat meant for ladies. Means objection was there. Part with. A miser does not like to part with his money. Part from. He was unhappy when he had to part from his old parents. Pray to or pray for, both are there. Let us pray to God for peace in the world. Then the next page. Prefer to means preference. An honorable person prefers death to dishonor. Prevent from. Prevent the boy from making mischief. Protect from. An umbrella protects us from rain. Then protect against. The worker protested against their leader's arrest. Then recover from. He has recovered from illness, that is not attending his classes yet. Rely on, rely upon. You can safely rely on or upon this doctor. Means you can have the trust upon this doctor. Remind of. My recent visit to my old school reminded me of my childhood. Means I remember that thing. Rob off. Rob, you know very well, robbery. A lonely traveler was robbed of all he had. Save from. Good brakes of my cycle saved me from an accident. Then search for. I am searching for a book on mathematics. Sympathize with. I can only sympathize with you but cannot help you in any way. Sympathy is there. Trust in. trust in God and do the right. And the last one is yield to. Brave person do not yield to difficulties. So today we have learned the verbs followed by appropriate prepositions. And I think many of them are clear to you. You must read them, then the meaning will be totally clear to you. And I will give you one exercise on the basis of these verbs followed by the prepositions, and you will fill in the blank. Thank you for today. Bye.